If you're a motorcyclist who loves documenting every ride, the right helmet camera can turn your trip into a cinematic masterpiece. Today, we're revealing 5 of the best helmet cameras for this year. Let's kick off with the legendary GoPro Hero 13 Black. GoPro continues to dominate the action camera world, and the Hero 13 Black proves why. It shoots in an ultra-crisp 5.3K at 60 frames per second and includes advanced image stabilization powered by Hypersmooth 6.0. Whether you're riding across smooth highways or tackling bumpy off-road trails, your footage stays incredibly stable. This model also supports lens mods, including ultra-wide and macro options, letting you customize your footage based on your style. Plus, the Hero 13 Black is waterproof, shock-resistant, and comes with extended battery life, making it one of the most durable and reliable cameras available. Riders love it for its ease of use, fast connectivity, and flawless integration with helmet mounts. Next up is the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, which pushes the envelope with its 8K video capture and Leica-engineered lens. If clarity and color accuracy matter to you, this is a game-changer. What truly sets the Ace Pro 2 apart is its AI-powered stabilization and excellent low-light performance, features that elevate night rides into stunning visual experiences. The flip screen is perfect for motovloggers who want to frame their shots on the go, while the WindGuard microphone and Bluetooth audio input ensure your voice and engine sound are captured clearly. Whether you're riding through mountain passes or city streets, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 delivers broadcast-quality footage with minimal effort. For those who want immersive storytelling, the Insta360 X5 360° is an unmatched tool. This camera captures in full 360° 8K, allowing you to reframe shots in post-production and pick the perfect angle every time. Imagine riding down a scenic highway and being able to show both your perspective and the landscape behind you, all in one edit. With dual lenses, advanced stabilization, and intuitive mobile editing tools, the X5 is ideal for content creators who want to create dynamic, next-level footage. It's also excellent for group rides or touring, as it allows you to feature more than just what's in front of your helmet. Now let's look at the Sena 50C, a unique all-in-one unit that combines a helmet camera with communication features. This model shoots 4K at 30 frames per second and also acts as a Bluetooth and mesh intercom system, which means you can record high-quality video while staying connected with your group. Sena partnered with Harman Kardon to deliver top-notch audio quality, ensuring your voice, music, and conversations are crystal clear. For touring riders and long-distance travelers, this is a practical solution that cuts down on extra gear and simplifies your helmet setup. The convenience of not juggling multiple devices makes the 50C an attractive choice for tech-savvy riders. Finally, there's the INNOVV H5 motorcycle camera, a lesser-known but highly respected entry in the motorcycling community. It records in 4K, uses a Sony sensor for clear imaging, and features a battery life of up to 7 hours. What makes the H5 stand out is its hardwiring capability. It can be connected directly to your motorcycle's power source for uninterrupted recording. It also comes with a low-profile helmet mount and is built to withstand wind, rain, and dust. Riders who prefer minimalist setups or ride long hours particularly appreciate the H5's ruggedness, long record time, and solid HDR performance in changing light conditions.